what's up everybody? It's Tioko at Vagabond Culture. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to your #1 source for everything travel, adventure, and lifestyle. If you're viewing this video right now, that means you've seen part 1, Snack Crate Hawaii. Welcome to part 2, the Pineapple Challenge. If you haven't witnessed the Hawaiian Snack Crate video, make sure you view it after this video because it's amazing, it's hilarious, and you will surely enjoy it. We have been watching the video to the right way to peel a pineapple, which is, I guess you're taking each individual segment and piecing it apart, and you would, eat it as you go. So the first thing she said, well, I cut it wrong. I just cut it flat. You're supposed to kind of cut it diagonally to a point. So that was my first mistake, but it'll be all right. They're going to get eaten. And then we're supposed to roll it around to kind of loosen the pineapple up. So that's what I'm doing now. Okay, so let's see who's the most successful with doing this. Okay. Oh, shoot. Did you? Okay. Thelma got a little piece. Jewel got a couple pieces.
My piece went away, but I got a piece.
Jewel got some juice on my leg.
I'm sorry. I'm only getting like the skin off. I ain't getting like a whole slither.
Yeah.
You gotta be gentle, guys.
Ah! It's a little painful.
See, I don't like it. I don't like messiness. I don't want it to get too messy. So this is an issue for
Let me see that.
I have a whole heap of pineapple juice on my shirt and jeans. It's not working out well for me, guys.
Thelma, hey, Thelma got it. Thelma
kind
of. Okay, so.
I've got to be gentle. Like,
okay, so.
This is not helping my fingers. Like, try to break. What I've seen is easier is if you try to ease around, kind of breaking that hexagon kind of shape.
Yeah.
He's on down. He's on down.
This is how it was supposed to be cut. So I'm sorry, I messed y'all up. It was supposed to be cut like this.
Let me get that.
Yeah. Cut it.
Now, this pineapple experience just isn't going well for me. Oh, Lord.
Well,
I'm sorry, y'all.
I can honestly see how this would be the right way to eat.
I could too.
Yeah,
if we could get it. Okay. I kind of, okay. A little bit.
Because it makes sense because all fruit is meant to be able to eat it.
Be accessible.
Right. Without needing tools.
They ain't have tools.
Right.
That's the way my job works.
Yeah. So I could see.
Oh, shoot. Oh, wait a minute.
Yeah.
Wait
It's going to get you. It's going to get you.
Wait. This ain't one of them type of... Amber, how you doing?
I'm gonna be honest with y'all. This is cool.
It's nasty.
But it's a much more convenient
It's
way.
It's so messy.
Yeah, it's really messy.
So what do you guys think about the method?
Start biting it down.
What y'all think about it? We want to know.
I may be as neat as I could.
Yeah.
I could see, if it's for convenience, if you don't have a lot of sharp tools. Because I'm imagining what people probably could do if you don't have a knife is ripping the leaf part out the top and then being able to eat it that way. So I think for convenience, if you don't have any tools to cut it, then it could work. But if you do have a knife, I would just.
I was stranded on if I was stranded on an island and I really needed some food and I had to eat this pineapple, this would be a great way to do it. But considering that we have knives and other utensils to make this a lot easier,
Listen.
I think we should do it like that. This is cool.
This is cool.
It's a fun fact. That we didn't know. It's a much easier, cleaner way to do this though.
Yeah. It's we have a lot of pineapple juice on us and the
Dang,
table.
so.
And then Jewel, he's definitely reigning. Between him and Amber, I think me and Thelma are a little bit more neater. I think I'm probably
What?
the
I
neatest.
got this much right here.
My whole tablecloth, so.
Yeah.
You talking about my... I think that...
I think I just had the juicy pineapple, to be honest.
Oh, okay.
That's what it it was.
I mean, real talk, like, this is Jules' juice that came over
That ain't
here.
my juice, Amber. Don't you put that on me.
This juice came over here. I got a little tiny baby spot. Oh, man. Okay.
Wait a minute. Some of this juice is yours, Tiago.
No, this is my little...
You've been throwing it over this way. You know what? It takes a lot more time to eat a pineapple like this as well.
You get full.
It does.
You get full quicker. It's taking more time.
Because one day y'all gonna be driving through the desert and your car gonna break down on the side of the road. And the gas station is like 10 miles away.
That's true.
You're gonna have your book bag on your back. You're gonna have to get out of the car and walk to the gas
Struggle
station.
bus.
You're gonna be hungry, you're gonna be thirsty, about to die. Only thing you got in your book bag is some pineapple.
A pineapple.
And you know what you don't have? A knife, a cord. You're
Nothing.
gonna be like,
how
am I gonna eat this? So you're gonna bust it open with a rock.
Bust it open with a rock.
Bust it. Bust it.
Yes. Bust it open with a rock.
Yes. Yeah. Bust that thing open.
You're gonna bust it open with a rock.
With a rock.
And you're gonna get the peel in that thing.
Peeling it.
Like so. Hold on.
Okay, show him, Jewel. You ain't got much meat on it, but it
There ain't much meat.
You might still be a little...
It ain't much meat. You might still be a little hungry. But it's gonna get you to that gas station.
get you there.
And you're gonna be like, thank God I watched that vagabond
Yes.
video
Yes.
where Jules showed me how to eat a pineapple.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, church.
Yes.
Amen. Amen.
Amen.
Shoot, 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 shoot.
All you gotta say,
shoot, baby shark, baby shark, do 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 do.
Shark, do 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 do, baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark.
Baby shark.
I'm soaking over here.
I'm
she
so
leaking. So good. Shake it like a salt shaker.
Shake it like a salt.
Yeah.
Shake it like a salt. Shake it like a salt.
well. Thank you.
Yay.
Call it Bojangles.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in. We've had a great time today with our Hawaiian snacks and for trying the pineapple challenge. As you can see, it looks like Thelma may have won. She really did a good job. It's very messy. I don't know if you can see this, but I have pineapple everywhere. Jules probably the messiest. He spilled a little juice
I just had the
all
juiciest
over all of
pineapple,
us.
y'all.
But
They cheated. They gave me the juicy pineapple. That's all it was.
it was such a fun experience though. It's really different. I don't know if I would, do this on a regular, but if I'm ever in a sticky situation, I believe this is, an awesome way to eat a pineapple. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you're notified every time I post a new video. Stay tuned because, as I stated before, every month we will be reviewing snacks from another country or within the country, just another culture. Like this time it was Hawaiian. Please leave a comment below letting us know if you guys are willing to do the Hawaiian challenge. And if you are, definitely comment your link to your video. That way I can watch it, leave a comment for you, and let me know what you think about it. Okay, so hey, nope, I already said it again. Baby shark. Thank you guys so much for checking in. Oh, okay. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to us. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to Vagabond. Thank you guys so much for
checking out.
Yeah. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and we really
Sorry.